A humble stock SUV begins a bold transformation, trading plain lines for modular racks in a sculpted arrow shape. The crew faces fitment glitches, wiring mazes, and weight shifts, turning every setback into a test of patience and smart engineering. Late-night welds meet test drives as seasoned enthusiasts share tips on safety, heat management, and community care. Each milestone earns cheers from a growing crowd who see not just metal, but a shared promise of fearless creativity. When rain beads off the new panels and the crew smiles, the build proves imagination can drive a thriving car culture.